What's up guys, YouTube is suddenly taking a harder stance against ad blockers. If you don't turn off ad blocker after 3 videos, you will no longer be allowed to view any videos on YouTube. Actually, YouTube intends to force YouTube Premium services for the price of $13. But don't worry, I have a simple solution that will definitely solve this problem. We will simply bypass the YouTube ad detection. The first things you need to do, if you have any ad blocker, remove them. To bypass YouTube ad detection, we need to download ublock origin ad blocker. You can download this ad blocker from their official website ublockorigin.com. You will get the link in the description. This is a free and open source ad blocker available from major browsers like Chrome, Firefox. Just click on Get ublock origin and it will take you to the extension page of your browser. On extension page, click on Add to Chrome. It will download and install itself. Now go to the extension tool of your browser, then click on ublock origin. Click on the gear icon, which is actually settings. Go to the filter list, which is at the top bar. Click on Purge all cases, then click on Update now. It will take a few seconds to complete the update. After that, go back to the YouTube and play any video. You will see there is no warning. Now you can watch videos without ad or any type of disturbance. If you think this video is useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. No more today. See you in the next video. Take care.